Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Let me begin today's video by asking a simple question. Have you ever faced a challenge in combining large volume of data from different files? If yes, then you are going to see a solution in today's video. Today we will be talking about combining multiple Excel files with huge volume of data with the help of Power Pivot option. Here we have some sample data which basically puts together the credit card details of various people. So these files basically are for Amex card holders, Maestro card holders, MasterCard card holders and Visa card holders. So they are in different files. We are going to combine all the card holders information into one single Excel file. By now you would have noticed the details in column G are not in a proper format. So to convert this to a proper format, you need to apply text formula. If you want to know how to convert a number to a text, then you can click on the I button and the link will take you through another video where it is explained how to convert a number to a text format using text formula. So now how do we combine all the credit card details files into one single file? For that, open a new Excel file, click data, then click get data. In that get data, select from file and select from folder again. Selecting this option will combine all the files that are saved in a specific folder. So for this example, what I have done is I have saved all the 4 files which are basically for credit card details of Amex card holders, Visa card holders, Maestro and MasterCard card holders. So I am going to select this folder, click open. When I click open, a connection gets established to the files in these folders. So you can see all the 4 files that I have saved in that specific folder are reflecting in this pane. Now what you need to do is you need to combine these. So you find a combine button below, just select a drop down there. You again find 3 different options. So depending on your requirement, you have to choose the right one. If you select combine and transform data, that allows you to transform the data before it is loaded. You can add, delete or modify the information in rows and columns, put filters and many more things you can do. So for now what I'm going to select is combine and transform data just to show you what is available in the transformation pane, and then I'm going to load the data. So I am clicking combine and transform data. Another screen gets popped up which basically shows you the sample data that you are going to combine. So what you need to do is you just need to click sheet. Once you click that, a preview of the sample file that is getting uploaded or that is getting combined will be displayed. Click OK. Once you click OK, the Power Query Editor screen gets visible, where you can see the queries in the left hand side, the data in the middle and the various steps that are being applied in the ETL process is shown in applied steps. So whatever changes you make the data before you upload them will be displayed in different steps here. So now looking at this data, I can notice that if I see the source name, it is nothing but my file's name. In the data, I really don't need this. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click this heading source name and I'm going to click remove columns. Okay, so when I click remove columns, a step gets recorded. In the same way, whatever changes you do to the data, each step gets recorded. Again, Power Query allows you to change the sequence of these steps. It again depends on how you want to do the changes. Another thing I noticed is credit card number. It is in number format, so I just want to change it to a text format so that everything is visible perfectly. So now the data looks good. Let us load this data, right? How do I do that? I will go to close and load option. I'll select the drop down. I'll just click on close and load. As soon as I do that, my data gets combined and getting displayed in a single worksheet. Just cross verifying it. So when I check my credit card types, I can see all types of credit cards. The beauty of Power Query is if you want to add some more files, then you need not do all these steps again. You just save your file in the selected folder, click refresh button after saving the file. Once you combine this data, you can put a slicer as well on this data. How do you do that? Just click on any cell in the table, go to insert, click slicer, and in the insert slicers option, select that column name for which you want to have slicers. Let me take credit card type as an example now. Click OK. Here you go. Isn't that interesting? That's it for today. Hope you liked the video. For more such Excel tips and tricks, please subscribe to my channel. Mention your thoughts in the comment box and share the video. Until my next video, happy learning!